Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a lipstick that's been turning heads with its combination of vibrant color, smooth application, and comfort. Dalla Palma's Semi-Transparent Shiny Lipstick. If you're looking for a product that delivers both a bold, long-lasting finish and hydration, you might want to keep watching. I've had a chance to test this out, and let me tell you, there's a lot to unpack. First off, this lipstick promises to give you intense color while keeping your lips hydrated all day long. It's available in the 149 Mauve shade, which is a beautiful, universally flattering mauve, perfect for a natural yet polished look. It's got that perfect balance of pigment and transparency that allows your lips to shine without feeling heavy or cakey. Now, let's get into the formula. What I really appreciate here is the blend of hydrating ingredients that make this lipstick stand out. The formula melts into your lips and provides a cushion of moisture throughout the day. For someone who struggles with dry lips, this is a game changer. But the real test, as always, is how it performs in real life. I tried this out during my daily routine, and I have to say, it's surprisingly comfortable. It doesn't dry out my lips, which is a huge plus for me. Plus, it glides on effortlessly, giving me a smooth, soft finish without any tugging. Now, one of the big claims of this lipstick is that it's both smudge-proof and transfer-proof. After wearing it for a few hours, I can honestly say I wasn't disappointed. I tested it out during a busy day, drinking coffee and even eating lunch, and the color stayed intact without smearing or fading. The only slight touch-ups I needed were on the inner corners of my lips, but the overall wear time was impressive. So, if you're someone who wants a lipstick that can keep up with your day, this definitely delivers on that front. In terms of texture, it's smooth and gentle on the lips, it doesn't feel heavy or greasy, and it doesn't settle into fine lines or dry patches, which is often a concern with more pigmented lip products. The finish is shiny but not overly glossy, giving it that fresh, plumped-up look. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While it does provide great hydration, it's still a semi-translucent formula, which means it may not have the same bold opacity as a traditional matte lipstick. If you're after that high-impact, full-coverage color, you might want to look elsewhere. But if you're into a more natural sheer look that still packs a punch, then this is right up your alley. Now let's talk about value for money. At a glance, the price may seem a bit high for a single lipstick, especially since it's only 0.1 ounce. But when you consider the quality, the formula, and the longevity, it's a bit more understandable. Plus, Dalla Palma is known for its luxurious products that come with a prestigious Italian heritage, so you're paying for that high-end experience as well. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and elegant, giving it a premium feel. It's lightweight but sturdy, and the applicator is easy to use. There's no gimmicky packaging here, just pure luxury. I haven't had the chance to interact with customer service, but based on the brand's reputation, you can expect a fairly high level of support if any issues were to arise. In terms of alternatives, there are a lot of lipsticks out there that offer similar sheer color with hydration. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal have semi-transparent hydrating lipsticks with great performance at a lower price point. But again, if you're willing to splurge for that Italian-made luxury, Dalla Palma is hard to beat. So, final thoughts. This lipstick is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a hydrating, long-lasting lip color with a bit of sheen. Its buildable color and comfortable wear make it a great option for everyday use, and the luxurious packaging just adds to the overall experience. However, if you're after something that offers bold, opaque color, this might not be the right fit. But for a natural, polished look that'll last all day, it's definitely worth considering. If this review was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more honest reviews like this. Your support helps me continue making content for you. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this lipstick, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.